Hi, this is Carol. Today I wanted to share something with you, do an opening of a package I received in the mail. This is my bead junk journal that I made I started it in 2023, I believe, and I finished it in 2024. I finished it, added this to it after December. This person here, it's Cinnamon Cooney, the art Sherpa. She has a YouTube channel, and I learned to paint basically following her YouTube channel. And I went to an art retreat once in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, that I got to paint with her 3 times, and it was such an awesome experience. So that anyway, she's really had a big influence in my life artistically. So when I was working on this junk journal, I had to include this. This was something she had painted that was on a set of brushes I bought, along with her little picture. So I made this, and then in December, she sadly passed away. And I had this little thing, which was a coloring page of hers. So I decided to put that in here. It said, Fly High, Art Sherpa. And the reason I tell you this is because she did have and continues to have a artistic influence in my life. So her family, has been going through her personal art supplies and selling a lot of them. And I just knew I had to have a set of her brushes. The brush is a travel set of watercolor brushes. So I haven't opened it. I did cut the tape. So I wanted to do an opening here on video because it said brush with extra things in there. I'm going to bring it to the side, make sure my address isn't on it. Okay. I'm going to bring it out one thing at a time. Okay. This is watercolor postcards, which is good because I've been into watercolor lately. Aww. What's that? Oh, it was a little light, I think. Aww. Oh, it's a USB drive. How sweet. Oh, flash drive, I mean. Well, I will definitely use that. That was her husband, John. They are taking her YouTube channel to a new stage. How sweet. I'll put the stuff like this. Okay. What is it? Oh, a little pin. I do want to take it out. I want to see it all in its glory. She was such a character. And that's the same picture. Very cute. Let's see what else we've got in here. Oh, a color wheel. Nice. Can always use that. That's the brushes. I'm going to open them last. This is some paint. I've never used this before. I think it's pronounced gouache. And if I understand correctly, oh, it's the primary color plus black and white. Awesome. Awesome. I can't wait to use it. Nice. This is my favorite color here. Magenta. Very nice. I'm so glad I was able to buy this stuff. This is so special. Okay. Last thing are the brushes. This is a travel set of watercolor brushes. Raphael. So special. So special. She has watercolor tutorials also, which I've never done. So that's my goal. Ooh. These are little because they're travel. I'm going to leave them in their little things for now. That's nice. Okay. Very nice. I'll move that on top of the paint here. Let's see what we've got here. They look brand new, so possibly maybe she didn't use them. I don't know, but they're still extremely special. This looks like the same exact set. Is that right? Oh, this one is bigger. They're different sizes. Oh, nice. I'm gonna leave them in the package. And then this, I've never used one before, but is you put your brushes in. And a lot of times these little plastic things get lost, and this will just keep it in good shape. And then you roll it up really tight. Well, maybe to go a little bit further that direction. We'll roll it up really tight. One string on one side, one string on the other. Tie a tight bow so that the brushes are good and secure. And if they don't have a little plastic thing on, they'll be protected also. Oh, love it. And I have a travel set of watercolors that I just put together, actually. That's my color swatch. So these 5 colors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors here are Holbein watercolors that I actually got at the retreat with the Art Sherpa. And these are Royal and Lang nickel. They cracked, but these are just awesome. This is such good paint, good watercolor. So now I can take this, a cup, and some watercolor paper and travel and really get to be creative on the road. So I'm going to do a Art Sherpa tutorial, maybe paint some roses on a couple of these. This is just so special. I'm really thankful to have this. And I don't know, it's bittersweet, actually. Bittersweet. I'd like to thank you for watching. And I encourage you to visit the Art Sherpa's YouTube channel if you're interested in painting. She has different levels of difficulty. And I've really learned a lot from her over the years. And I look forward to seeing what her husband, John, and the Art Sherpa team do in the future.